Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are discussing how to apply Jordan eVisa. This is the official website for Jordan eVisa. You can see here evisa.moe.gov. Okay. From here select electronic visa and this mentioned the security code. And for Indian nationality, Jordan visa on arrival, or we can apply e-visa, electronic visa. So electronic visa is a good option in order to avoid a long queue in the immigration once you arrive in Jordan. So better apply this electronic visa. And this electronic visa option is eligible for nationality do not require prior approval to enter Jordan. So these are the listed countries. No need prior visa. You can see here India also listed here. These are the country no need visa. Either they can go visa on arrival, or we can apply electronic visa. What is the benefit of electronic visa? First of all, no need to wait once you arrive in the Jordan. Also, it's an instant approval. Once we make the visa fee electronically, and we will get the visa same time. And you can see here just mention your nationality. So I'm just mentioning here India, and next, and you can see here they will notify visa service for nationality that do not require visa prior approval after login. So because we have to make a login ID, then only we have to apply the visa. Login ID only we can do, we have to attach real passport and photo, because dummy document will not work. So I'm not showing that those details. So when you're applying visa, you have to enter the personal detail and you have to attach your passport. Then the immigration department will verify, then they will approve, then only you can able to log in. Select ministry e-service. From here we have to select visa category and type. For electronic visa is mainly eligible and targeting group for foreigners who do not require prior approval to enter the kingdom. For Indians, we have to select this option, electronic visa. Indians and other listed nationality who do not require prior visa, they have to select this option, electronic visa. And you can see here visa fee and type of visa they mentioned: 3 month, 6 month, 5 year, 1 year, 1 year. There are so many type of visa they mention, and it's an instant approval. After you are making payment, visa will be instantly you will get. And basic documents we have to attach passport, copy and photo, and basic details, and you will get the instant approval for the visa. So this is a good option anyhow for select applying this electronic visa. Now we can see what is visit visa. And visit visa targeting mainly foreigners who need prior approval to enter the kingdom. And there mentioned some listed nationality who need prior approval to enter the country. And they need some basic document also: passport, photo, residency visa copy, or national ID. And if you have some invitation, that also we have to attach. So these are the listed country they need prior approval to enter. So we have to first identify identify based on your nationality. You have to select here either visit visa or electronic visa. And you can see here visa processing time, it's a little bit lengthy. Normal 14 working days, urgent 5 working days. And for the urgent, there will be additional 100 Jordanian dinar we have to make payment. In addition, the visa fee. Visa fee is similar, same like electronic visa, only the processing time is different. So electronic visa you will get instant, but visit visa is taking time. The visa payment we can make by our card. Card payment is acceptable payment for both cases, and there is no any additional service charge also. We just need to make the payment, visa fee, whatever it is listed here. We have to make that payment only. Now we can see what is Jordan Pass. Jordan Pass, actually it's a single attraction ticket, is covering almost 40 attractions in Jordan. So it's like one sightseeing ticket, attraction ticket, we can cover up 14 places in Jordan. It's also help you if you already have this ticket. It's waive your tourist entry visa fee. It means it's more mainly for people do not require a visa, and someone taking visa on arrival, and they have this Jordan pass, and you will get this visa with free of cost, no any charges for the visa. That's also one of the benefit for the Jordan pass. You can easily take Jordan pass online. You can take prior arrival, and it will be valid 3 months. It will be covering over 14 attraction, and it's including museum, castles, UNESCO site, all are covering. So this is a good option if you are going for a tourist purpose to explore Jordan. So better select this option, Jordan pass. You can take in advance. This is a good option, and this is a basic condition they mention here for the Jordan pass. Are you watching my channel first time? Please subscribe. Now we can see how to apply the visa. So first step will be create a login ID, create a new account. For creating an account, you have to mention your basic personal details. Like from here, select individual and your nationality, and mention the personal details, and attach your passport and photo, and submit the application. Next step will be immigration department will verify that your details and your data, and they will give you the approval for applying visa. Then only we can able to log in the portal. After logging, we have to enter basic details, and we will get instant approval and make the visa fee by your card. Like that the process. Hope you guys understand about Jordan eVisa, how to apply online. Anyone looking for assistance for Jordan visa, you can contact us, we can help you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.